Alright, hello everyone, Stock Master back here with another video for you all. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now at the bottom right, like this video, and remember to share. If you're returning, you already know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. Today we'll be talking about NNDM, Nano Dimension. NNDM is actually one of my favorite play at the moment. No, I didn't get this stock when it was at $5 or so. But when I found out about it and did my DD, I liked everything about it. Of course, as you may know already, I am an unbiased reviewer. So make sure you watch this whole video. Do not miss out on anything. When people think of Nano Dimension, they think of 3D printing. But Nano Dimension is much more than that. If you do more research on this company, you'll find out that this company is involved in AI, car manufacturing, and so many other industries. This could potentially be a high demand company in the future. The current price is $11.56 per share. The market cap is 1.99 billion. Plenty of room for growth. The gross profit has been positive since 2018. Alright, so this is my speculation on why NNDM crashed in 2016. There are many people that are wondering why the stock crashed in 2016. Well, the price in 2016 was sitting at $80 plus. The price dropped all the way to $13 in 2018. Now we're in 2021 and the stock is near the price it was in 2018. Side note, if you look at it, the stock could potentially grow 8 to 10 times the current price and it will hit 2016 high of $80 and more. When I look at the stock, I see a huge upside profit potential. Okay, so I did more research and found out one of the possibility why Nano Dimension price dropped. I myself believe that Nano Dimension was way ahead of its time when it first came out in 2016. I myself believe that Nano Dimension was way ahead of its time when they first came out. 3D printing was new. If you want to pause right here to read the article, you can. What I would like to focus on is the paragraph on the right. It mentions that the industry was not ready yet to manage volumes required by current market. 3D printing was a new industry. During these times, companies like NNDM still needed to produce machines. If you read the last sentence, it says that when additive manufacturing, which means 3D printing, is found everywhere, as you all may know already, EV industry is booming. They need 3D printing companies. Energy industry is booming. 3D printing plays a role. Now is the time for NNDM to shine. I hope you guys enjoying reading this as much as I did. It was really eye-opening for myself. Of course, I have to show the news that everyone is talking about. Everyone is saying that NNDM is using investors' money as a bank. 7 offerings in 4 months. Yet, if you've seen my other videos, you already know how I feel about offerings, especially direct offerings. If you didn't know, these offerings were direct offerings. This means that credible companies invested in NNDM. Now, ask yourself this question. Why would credible investors buy shares from Nano Dimension? It's probably because they believe that Nano Dimension will prosper in the near future. I would also like to mention that direct offering is different from public offering. Do your DD and let me know in the comment section what the difference is. This will be your homework. From the 7 offerings, they raised over $1 billion in cash. Another note is that they raised all this capital against zero debt. Of course, people might say that the company have all this cash, but nothing is happening. That is true. But if you think about it, there could be a potential merger and NDM could acquire a company. There's also so many other scenarios. If any good news such as these come out, imagine the share price. It may sound like I am pumping the stock, but I am not. This is all speculation. But the facts support so much of these speculations. To each their own. Invest at your own risk and do your DD. Personally, I couldn't find any current bad news about the stock. Of course, the direct offering could be worrisome to investors, so if you're worried about these direct offerings, do your DD on what direct offerings are and how it impacts a company. And of course, the other bad news is the crash in 2016, which was already explained earlier in this video. Now, Dimension just added a renowned AI expert by the name of Dr. Eli David to their board of directors. He's known for deep learning and evolutionary computation. At the same time, he's been recognized by many foundations for his work. This could be beneficial for NNDM's future growth. My personal opinion on NNDM is that I am bullish. Of course, NNDM needs good news and catalysts for the share price to raise. At the same time, I like the fact that ARK is heavily invested and other investors are too. Therefore, make sure you do your DD and invest at your own risk, but I myself am bullish and holding this stock long term. Alright, so if you made it this far into the video, just know that I appreciate that. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with your thoughts on NNDM in the comment section. And of course, if you found this video helpful and you like the content, share the video, subscribe right now. It'll help the channel out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck, traders.